Hey guys, it's Uncle here, just going to do a video on the automated item sorting system that I have here from the latest snapshot of Minecraft. Also going to show you the automated item transportation drop-off system as well from the latest snapshot. So first of all, I'll show you the sorting system. You can see that here the items start in this chest and they get filtered through the hoppers down into their item sorting section, so you enter the different sections, which you can see you've got gold, iron, diamond, emerald, and miscellaneous, which so anything that doesn't get sorted into these four categories goes into there. So you can pretty much have it sorted so that way anything can be sorted into its own chest. So first of all, I'll show you how it works. I'll show you it in motion. So we stick all the items we want to sort into that chest. You can see it's already started filtering down the gold. You'll see it slowly start to filter the rest. You can see there it's filtering the iron. And once the gold stops, it'll start moving on to the rest. You can see it's already doing the diamond. So the gold stopped now. So I'll start doing the emerald. We can go down and check the chest. You can see it's got all 16 gold, 16 iron, starting to get all of the diamond, and starting to get the rest of the emerald. You can see here it's filtering also the miscellaneous items like the sandstone, the dirt, and roses there. You can see now it's finished emerald as well. You can see now that it's finally finishing up the miscellaneous items. So they're getting all that cobblestone as well. So now I'll show you how it works. You've got on each one a hopper, which then travels down along. So pretty much once it gets to this hopper, so for example, you got in here, I have the gold hopper. So essentially anything that's not gold will then be passed along to the next hopper. But if it is gold, it filters down through in here and then goes out into the chest. So generally it works with one of these compensators here, which then once it receives one more a certain value, it receives one more piece of gold, it then turns on this piston here, which then starts the track, and then it starts collecting them until it gets down to the base value, which is 22. And each of these here, so you've got one here for the iron, one here for the diamond, one here for the emerald, and the last one is a little bit of a different design. So once any item other than those four items enters this hopper, then this piston gets set off and then it starts collecting whatever's in there. So that's pretty much it there. So you can see here you've got two hoppers, so once it drops it in, it passes it along to the final chest here where you can collect your items. And so that's pretty much that. So now I'll go and show you the transportation system. So generally you have here the chest, which will put in our item. Press the button, it sends it away up to the hopper here, which then it deposits the items in that chest below. And once it's done, it then sends it back to the other end, ready for more items. So you can see in here I have all the items. So generally what you can do is you can attach that to the item sorter. So say you're down in your mine, you're mining away, you deposit some of your items in this chest here, and you want to get it sorted so that way by the time you get back it's all done. You put it in there, send it away, it then drops them into the item sorting machine, and then it all sorts it out for you. Just quickly I'll show you how it works over here. So you've got the hopper here, which is next to the comparator, which previously I said compensator, which isn't right, of course. The comparator then sends off a charge once it's dropping items into the hopper, which then sends it through here to got a small pulse mechanism here, which then will then send the signal around once the hopper is empty, and then it sends the cart back to the start. So I'm just going to do a quick, I'll attach the item sorting cart to this here, and I'll show you what it does. Okay guys, so you can see here I've added I've added the transportation system for the items, so I'll show you how it all works together. So here we are, we get our items, put it in the cart here, we send it along. You can see it travels along to the item sorting area. You can see it's already starting to do the gold, and you'll see once it's delivered all its items, it will then travel back to its original spot ready for more items. So let's have a look. Let's see. Yeah, it's filling that one up. Eventually it'll get up to the last ones, and then once it's done, which will be soon, it'll then send the cart back. Finishing up the items now. There we are. You can see it sends it all the way back to its original spot. And that's pretty much it. I'm sure, of course, this being a snapshot, that it'll eventually change in the final release, but hopefully you only have to change a few things. But that's it. Yeah, it's the automatic item sorting system with the transportation as well. So yeah, if you like it, please subscribe, and let me know if you have any tips and tricks or anything like that you'd like to share or anything like that. Thank you.